Hello, I'm Hannah from rijo42 and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a latte using our new R1 coffee machine. So first of all you want to get your espresso, so you want to grind it up. Okay, once that's done you want to tap it with the side of your hand, get your tamper and firmly press down, spin, then give it a quick wipe. Okay, you then want to lock it onto your machine, like so, make sure it's firmly in. Get your latte cup and press the double shot button. Okay, then it's time for the milk. So we're going to use the auto steamer for this, and we're going to use it on the latte setting there. Just place it in, make sure the milk is fully in. Okay, great. So when it's done, it will shut off by itself. You then want to carefully pull the jug out and give your steam wand a quick wipe. When it's flashing like that, it means that you need to purge your wand, and you just press the button and it will do it for you. Okay, we then need to get our espresso and then you can pour. And there you have a latte.